Trying to take notes all the time, but it seems impossible and you just get burnout? Granola is here to help. All right, everyone. So if you're an Apple fan, if you have an iPad, this is a great way to take notes. The AI for Notepad, back to back. It is Granola, like the bars you eat, but even better. So I know there's a lot of things, Evernotes, all that stuff, but this is really cool to take notes. Why? Because it uses computer audio. So there's no bot trying to interpret, like, what did you say? How did you say it? All that stuff. And you can actually see here. Now, and also download this on Windows. So we can go ahead, click download here and go and play around with it. So whether you're Apple, whether you're Windows, whether you just want to play around and take notes, it's very, very simple. So you can see how to download it here. So we're going to come here. We're going to come to our downloads. And then we have Granola here. So while it's downloading, let's explain more about what it is. So here we can see it's also private. Now it works on Google, Zoom, all that type of stuff. So I know there's a million note takers. I have Fathom, you have all this, but why would you do this? It's good for doers. So it's, Figma uses it. That's a really big one. Replit, Linear, all that stuff. And it helps you before and during and after your meetings. So a lot of these note takers just give you the notes and then you're done. So before the meeting, what does it do? Start your meeting prepared. You're good. You got the sync. Then in the meeting, you give your full attention. You choose to be listening, taking notes. Then after the meeting, does post-meeting admin. You're good to go. Has great memory. Helps a lot of people, as we can see here. These are a lot of happy people. Works everywhere. You do. And that's what I like about it. So use it. Those are the 3-1 Zoom, Team, Google Meet, whatever it is. And it also syncs with your calendar. You can use it with Lovable, all these different apps. So unlimited meetings, notes for free. I think that's a win-win. And yes, they do have enterprise and pricing and even a blog here. So we can come here. We can go ahead and check out Granola. Boop. And it's very, very simple to use. So what you would do, you would wait till you have a meeting. Then you go ahead and install this or install it right before. So we're just installing. It's going to take a little bit of time. So I have, and you'll see this, the Granola setup. So this is how you would install it. And the nice thing about Granola is after you install it, then it's just going to work with your meetings. Now a little bit here about the different features. So you have the notepad where you can do back-to-back meetings. You have the chat, which already works and knows what's going on. And you can do this on your phone. A lot of these note takers don't work on your phone, but this one does. And also you have the ability, so you can actually start this for free. So you can have free taste with AI, meeting, notes, chat, all that. If you want to go advanced, you get the advanced. You can get centralized billing, priority support, and all that fun stuff right here. So that is essentially how it works. Now, you want to go ahead and install it. I do believe after that, you'll see the Granola app. It'll pop up after you hit download. Depends what you're on as well. And you see mixing ingredients. And then I'm going to go ahead and you'll want to sign in with Google. Then I'll just see, as you can see here, sign in with your calendar, work. So we go ahead and do that. I want to open Granola and boom. So now you're good for your next meeting. So they do it and you're good to go. So that's all you have to do to go ahead and set it up. Then you're ready for your next meeting. You can jump in. Now there's different features you can add as well. So you can get unlimited meeting notes, advanced AI thinking, MCP integration, all that stuff. And I really like the idea. So this is advanced note taking. Yes, Evernote is good, but this takes it to a whole new level. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.